What's up, mini truckers? Ben here at US Mini Trucks. We're gonna do a review of the Powrun warning triangles. One of the things you need to go interstate to travel and like pick up the mini trucks across state lines. You gotta have like all the gear. So one of the things you gotta have is the triangles, and we got these from Amazon and they send them to us to give us give you guys a review. I've got a couple sets already that I bought with my own money, and one of them is a super cheap one, and it's not DOT certified. One of them is. So this is, I do have somewhat of a reference. So you want to open it up, Stan?
Yeah.
I got my son here to try to help out. He's gonna lay it on its side. It's really heavy, isn't it?
Yeah. It's actually heavier than you thought.
Super heavy.
Like 30 pounds or something?
I'm not sure, but what I want is them to be too light and then it, falls away in the wind, or you're sitting on the side of the highway. You can see we've got some latches here. We're gonna undo that and then just go ahead and pull. Looks like they're gonna have them one at a time. Go ahead and unwrap one of those and let's just...
Oh, they're all the... Oh, this is nice. It just comes like that. Ooh. So we got this traffic.
So the bottom piece is weighted with like sand in it. So that's the heavy part. And then we're gonna just see how it works. Oh yeah, this is nice. And then what happens here?
And then I think you just clip it in just like that.
See something here.
Or something.
Right there.
Oh yeah, right there. So, and then
let's see how it clips on the other side. So it clips on both sides.
Yeah, I think.
And then I think you rotate it sideways for stability.
Yeah, and then like.
Dude, that's freaking heavy.
Yeah, that's like just like.
Oh, and then these come down.
Like, oh yeah, that's nice.
So really well designed. I mean, you want this where you're on the highway and it's like going 70 miles an hour, where it's not gonna fly away. And I feel really strong about this, that it would last.
Yeah. And then we got some more things in here. It looks like.
So there's 3 of them. You just got the same thing, and then you got one more. And then the way they stack in here, you put one there, one on each side, and then the other one's gonna go here. Let's see if we can unfold the other one and get ourselves to kind of see how easy it is. So looks like you fold these bottom parts, or is that they stay up?
Yeah,
those are fixed. Here, hold this. We pull that apart. Looks like one comes down. This has got a flip side stand. Looks like the other way. So one goes on one side. And then it has these little...
That won't go down.
Yep, calm down. It's got a little carrying pocket right there, it looks like. No, that's not what that is. Oh, on the edge it does. So then put that.
And then
lift it up so it's not grinding. So really well designed. I don't think it's as good. I think this is better than my other ones that I bought. I'd have to pull the other ones out, but you can see your dot approval, and then it's got a date code. I never noticed it's got Velcro there on the feet. I'm not sure. Did they all have that? Yeah, they've all got Velcro. When temporary on the road, it talks about that, blah, 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 blah. So it must just do that to make it a little less slippery. Yeah, I could see, because this is a little bit slippery. The only way it would be better maybe if that was like a rubber, because I see that's probably not going to last very long. But other than that, it looks like you could open that up and add sand if you ever needed. I'm not sure why you would do that, but let's see if we can put it back in the box. And it looks like you're going to push that one up.
Yeah.
Just like that. Let me see. And then close the hatch. So easy. A second grader could do it here.
Wait. These are actually harder to latch.
Yeah, the latch doesn't seem like it's going to last very long, does it?
Yeah, you might just want a separate container for this, because this container is pretty...
No, it's good.
Yeah, it's good, but...
You can see it's not real hinges. It's just these plastic, which is not going to last forever. And then same thing. It says here the warranty, you've got a 30-day money back and then 2 years after sales. So I've worked with this company before. Oh, this is really cool. Look at that. They kind of tell you where to put them. It's gonna be hard to see in the sun, but it kind of reminds you, put it 100 feet, put one in the front, one in the back. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Hopefully this helps.
And please consider subscribing.
All right, thank you guys. Have a good one.